Hey guys, it's MandaPanda and look at what I found. It's a Hatchimal. These adorable little guys just came out yesterday, so I had to go pick one up. I was dying to see what's inside the Hatchimal. Who will I hatch? Let's take a look at the box. So on the side, it shows the different kinds of Hatchimals. Ooh, the blue one is so cute. Let's open this up, and there's a little piece of the egg up here at the top. It feels kind of soft and hard all at the same. No, that wasn't even the egg. They were tricking me. Okay, there's the egg. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Like it feels so smooth and cold, but very soft still. It's kind of hard to explain. It honestly, it feels just like a real egg. That is so awesome. So we got some instructions here. Oh, and they have a YouTube channel, youtube.com/Hatchimals. And this list of all the different things that the Hatchimals do. I'm guessing it lights up and it has different colors that mean different things. This egg is huge. Oh, this is so cool. Yeah, it's like a little soft, but it's still hard. Oh, I can hear it. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, and it's like lighting up. You can barely see it on camera, but I'm thinking those are his eyes. Let me turn out the lights really quick. Oh, that's awesome. You can see the eyes glowing. Oh, they're like a pinky color. Oh, they're blinking. Oh, that is so cute. Can't wait to see him. So I've dimmed the lights a little so that way you can see the eyes a lot better. The instructions say that you have to care for your egg for about 20 to 25 minutes before it starts to hatch. And it does all sorts of kinds of things. So I'm just going to rub the egg, see what that does. And it's making all these cute little noises. It says to tap the bottom of the egg. Oh, that is so cool. That is so neat. This reminds me of some sort of dinosaur egg or something. This little guy really loves getting his shell rubbed. He's making the cutest little purring noises. Uh-oh, the eyes turned green. That means the Hatchimal is feeling a little sicky. So I'm going to rub the bottom of his egg and tilt him to the side a little and make him all better. You can put the Hatchimal to sleep by turning him upside down for about 8 seconds. And he'll just start to doze off. The Hatchimal also does this really cool trick where you can tap on him and he will remember the order in which you tapped and he will tap back. Let's check it out again. This Hatchimal really is smart. Let's take him for a spin. I think he likes that. Oh, too much spinning made him sick. I'll just have to rub the bottom of his egg to make him feel all better. Maybe he'll like pretending he's an airplane. Whoa, he's making some crazy sounds. Oh, whoopsie, he got sick again. So I'm just gonna keep playing with this Hatchimal until he decides it's time to hatch. It's been about 20 minutes and the eyes have started to blink rainbow colors. That means he is all ready to start hatching. You can hear him moving around in there. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh. And he's like pecking through the egg. I can feel it and I can see it. That is so neat. You can kind of tell where the egg is starting to crack a little from all of his pecking. So he's going around the inside of the egg. Ooh, he's really starting to come through the egg. You can see right there. If the Hatchimal starts to get a little tired and he stops pecking, all you gotta do is rub the bottom of his egg and he will start pecking again. Wow, he has done such a good job. Check out all of these spots where the egg is super cracked. Oh, let me see if I can get a close-up. He's about to come in the front right here. I can kind of see what color he is. He looks like he's blue. And you can see him really trying to crack through. That was a good one. Okay, the Hatchimal has pecked through basically the entire egg here. There's just a few spots where he still needs to break through. You can see his little beak. It just came out. That is so cute. That is so cool. And he's almost out of there. Okay, the Hatchimal has completely cracked all around the egg. Now I am going to help him come out by removing the top portion of the egg that he just worked so hard to crack. And let's see which color I get. Which Hatchimal? I want the blue one. Oh, it's the green one. I really thought he was going to be blue. So I got the blue dragon Hatchimal. Oh, and he looks like he still wants to peck. Yeah, that's kind of cool to see what it looks like from the outside. So we can get a good look of how he was pecking. His nose like fully retracts into his face and pecks out. That is so cool. This is like the coolest toy. I'm gonna let him go around one time. And I'm gonna gently break off all those little straggly pieces of eggshell. Now let's pull him out. Oh, that is so neat. He's all wrapped up. That is so cool. Inside the shell, you can see where it's textured and it made it easy for him to peck through. That is so neat. And on the inside, you can see what he was attached to that was helping him move around while on the inside. And this egg is super cool. I'm gonna keep this. Maybe I think I'm just gonna store my little buddy in there for later. Let's unwrap him. And he's supposed to sing happy birthday. Let's see if he does. This little guy is too adorable for words. What do you think I should name this little guy? Let me know down in the comments below. He is so cute, this little green dragon. He walks and he makes noises, and there's all kinds of stuff that you can teach him. I'm so happy with who I hatched today. He is so cute. If you want to get your own Hatchimal, I'll leave a link down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, little pandas. Until next time, bye.